Beyond one-off gifts, real impact comes from partnerships. This is where we manage a formal working relationship with a funder, what each side commits to, who owns which task, and how far along delivery is. Let me open it. We are turning the Dangote grant into a full delivery partnership on the school feeding project. I set it up now. Each side puts its commitments in writing. I capture what the foundation has pledged to bring to the table. Then we assign responsibilities, who does what, by when, and how far along each task is. Everything is filled, so I save the partnership. And here it is, a strategic partnership with the Dangote Foundation, currently negotiating, with a delivery progress bar that rolls up automatically from the responsibilities we just assigned. A partnership is delivered by many hands over months. Ton is the delivery lead on this one, so he signs in with his own donation seed to move it forward. This is now Ton Alabi, see the name at the top right. He opens the same partnerships board. Ton can open and update the partnership even though I created it. The board has approved, so he moves it from negotiating to active and updates delivery progress on his task. He saves it, and the delivery progress moves up automatically. Every partnership now has its own detail page. Ton opens it from the I button on the row. The whole partnership on one page, the partner, the type and status, the value and dates, what they deliver, and the delivery progress. And at the foot of the page, the complete activity history. Two different people on one record, Ada Okafor created the partnership, and Ton Alabi advanced it, each change shown as the old value against the new value, with a name, an avatar and a timestamp. That is how a delivery partnership is run as a team.